Alright, so I thought my microphone was connected for the whole video. I pretty much recorded a whole as 10-minute video. And since pretty much there's a lot of background noise, you can barely even hear me. It's not even bearable to hear, right? There goes that. But welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I am not going to record my usual video format. I'm not recording my usual, y'all see that shit loud. I'm not recording my usual videos for the simple fact that it's Sunday. It's a very slow day, and I've been working behind the scenes on a lot of stuff that I got coming very soon for all of you guys. And what I wanted to speak on today is about the importance of your mentality when it comes to trading. As a beginner trader, you are going to come into this world thinking that you want immediate change. You want immediate results. And don't get me wrong, that was me. I wanted to see immediate results. I wanted to see immediate change in my life with the money that trading can potentially bring, right? Because it's a lot of money that you can make from trading, right? And at first, I got very discouraged. And I know many people give up because they don't see those immediate results. My guy, you gotta stick to this shit. You really gotta stick to this shit. It takes a lot to change, right? It takes a lot if you want to become the best version of yourself. It's gonna take a lot from you and a lot of time. Like I said when I was in one of my old videos, like the people going to college, the least amount of time that you need a requirement to like actually get your degree is 4 years. So you're telling me you want to cram all this information in less than a week, or some people even think that they can do it in a day, when it takes 4 years for people to get their degrees. Like, some people don't have that common sense that it's like, bro, it takes time, right? Some people just want the quick results, and we're in this little time where it's like social media and our phones and all this shit like makes us think that we can do it overnight. Trust me, all the people you see online who have made it, it took them a lot. They went through a lot of shit. It's not sunshines and rainbows. Some people might portray those images online, but bro, it takes a lot from you mentally, physically. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, I've made so much mistakes. I document my journey for the same reason. I just don't want people to be deceived by other people talking about that it's easy. It's not. Don't get discouraged. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing when I first started. 3 months ago, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I was so lost. I just wanted to quit. Losing funded accounts back to back, almost 7 accounts. Now is my 7th account. I was so close to passing my account. I just needed $300 and lost it all. I didn't know what I was doing, right? But with time, you gain that experience. Literally, it takes time for good things to happen. We've heard this countless of times. If you go back and like, if you listen to all the successful people, they pretty much give the same advice, right? Just show up no matter what. Just keep on going, keep on pushing. Bro, it's going to happen. It hasn't happened to me yet when it comes to trading or the content, but I'm going to show up regardless. Maybe this video, maybe another video, but something is going to happen if I keep on showing up every day and not making excuses. My body, I've seen the whole transformation in my body. You guys can go and check my previous videos. Like, I was not 230 pounds, but I was overweight. And if you compare my old self to myself now, like, I'm in better shape than I've ever been in the last 3 years. Because I show up every day. There was weeks where I wasn't even seeing no results. I was steady at 180 or steady at 190. And then out of nowhere, just boom, lost the weight. But it's because I keep showing up. It keeps compounding every single day, right? I am getting stronger in my core. Like today I uploaded an Instagram story. I was doing pull-ups. I holding myself on the top, and I was doing like, I was extending my leg. I was doing some crazy shit on the pull-up bar, bro. Y'all should check my story. It should be up right now. And I was not doing that 3 months ago. But I kept on showing up, and now I see the reward of my workouts, of everyday sacrificing, of sacrificing the fast food, of eating the same foods every day, even though I am exhausted of doing that shit. It takes time. Like, some people really be making up excuses for their lack of accountability. If you don't show up, how the fuck do you want things around you to change? If you don't take control of your life, if you don't change your bad habits, how do you expect everything to change? If I don't move from this chair, but I want my walls to be painted, but I don't move, Nothing is going to change. But if I get out my ass, go do that, bro, like if I do it, it's going to change, right? If I want to move this whiteboard or close the door, if I don't move from this fucking chair, nothing changes. Same thing with your life. If you don't move from that fucking mentality, if you don't change that fucking mentality, nothing fucking changes. If you don't change your bad habits, if you don't change the way you carry yourself, if you don't change the fucking food, the fucking media you put into your fucking brain, nothing changes. I don't even listen to music at moments. I just listen to all these audiobooks or this fucking motivational things on YouTube. Bro, whatever you feed your mind is what you believe in. Understand that. Whatever you feed your fucking mind is what you believe in. I haven't made a video like this in a while, right? But you guys can go back to my stories, back to my videos, and check everything that I used to speak on when I used to have like my car talks and everything. Before I started doing all this, adding all my trading and all these things, before I had like my full equipment to like do all these things, right? When I first started, all I was doing was car talk videos. Why? Because I didn't have a good setup to edit my videos to record my trading. I've been having this fucking mentality. This is the reason why I'm successful in what I'm doing. But some people don't want to fucking show up. Some people just want the easy things. If you don't change your mindset, your discipline, your habits, you're not going to become a profitable trader. You're not going to get better. It all falls down to you. Understand that. Like, the reason behind my success is because I keep showing up no matter if I lose. The reason why I am going to get funded, the reason why I am going to become a profitable trader is because I keep showing up no matter what. I still work a job. I am a father. I still have my personal problems around me. And I still show up because I know that my story is motivating other people. And besides that, I gotta do it for myself, right? I love every single one of you guys. I know it's a short video coming from me, but tomorrow is Monday. We're going to attack the markets like we always do. Hoping for... Honestly, I am going to get into the charts as soon as Asian session opens. It's currently like 4:30. The Super Bowl is about to start too. Might check that out, but I really want to see how Asian session moves and London session moves as well. Not taking trades during those sessions, but I just want to be in the charts when that happens and take it on from there. We're still keeping our risk management the same, risking 250 for 750. We need roughly $800 to pass our combine, and it's possible, right? Just following our rules, not getting into early. Like I said on yesterday's video, this week we're following our rules, and yeah, we're going to get funded this week. I am 100% confident. I am very confident in myself. I know that I can do this. But yeah, let's get to it, boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for 470 subscribers. We're going to keep on growing. If you guys want to learn how to trade, I have a free beginner's guide down below in the description. Also, the link to my Discord. You guys can join a community of like-minded individuals where we just want to grow and get better. I share my thoughts on the market, pre-market, before I even take a trade with you guys on the Discord. But yeah, let's get to it, boys. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.